Rejection sucks. It hurts. We've all been there, putting yourself out there, only to have someone turn you down. But here's the truth. How you handle rejection says a lot about who you are, and the way you bounce back is the real measure of your strength. Look, I get it. It feels like a punch to the gut, right? You muster up all your courage, you take a chance, and then, bam, rejected. It feels personal. It feels like everything about you is being judged in that moment. But trust me when I say this, rejection is not the end of the world. It's not a reflection of your worth. In fact, it's a natural part of life, and it can actually lead to a stronger, better version of yourself. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through what you should do when you're faced with rejection. We'll talk about how to handle the emotions, stay composed, and most importantly, how to move forward without letting it crush your confidence. So, let's dive in. Understanding rejection. Why it happens. First things first, rejection is not always about you. It's easy to take it personally, but the reality is, rejection is often about circumstances, timing, or even a simple lack of romantic spark. It doesn't mean you're not good enough. It just means the situation isn't right for her. Maybe she's already in a relationship. Maybe she's just not ready for something serious. Or maybe she just doesn't feel that connection. None of these reasons are a judgment of your character or value. It's just not the right match, and that's okay. What to do immediately after rejection? Stay composed. Tip 1. Stay calm and composed. All right, now that you've been rejected, what do you do? First, stay calm. I know it's hard, but reacting with anger or embarrassment isn't the way to go. You might feel the sting in the moment, but take a deep breath. Show gratitude for her honesty. Stay respectful, and keep your dignity intact. Don't lash out or say something you might regret. Tip 2. Avoid begging or pleading. Another crucial point. Don't beg. Don't try to convince her to change her mind. That's a surefire way to make things uncomfortable. Respect her decision. It's tempting to want to change her mind, but trust me, no one is attracted to desperation. Keep your self-respect and walk away with grace. Handling emotions after rejection. Tip 3. Allow yourself to feel the emotions, but don't dwell. Rejection is tough, and it's okay to feel hurt or disappointed. But here's the thing. Don't let those emotions consume you. It's natural to feel pain, but it's equally important not to dwell on it. Take some time for yourself, whether it's talking to a friend, journaling, or taking a walk. Let those feelings out, but don't let them control your actions or mindset. Tip 4. Don't let rejection define you. Rejection doesn't mean you're not good enough. It's just a temporary setback. Remind yourself of your strengths. Focus on what makes you unique, and remember, one person's opinion doesn't define your worth. Keep your head up, because you are valuable just as you are. Don't let a single rejection shake your confidence. Moving forward, turning rejection into a positive. Tip 5. Learn from the experience. Rejection isn't the end. It's an opportunity for growth. Take a step back and reflect. What can you learn from this? Was there something you could have done differently? Maybe it was just bad timing. And maybe it was a lesson for the future. Reflecting on the experience is about learning, not about dwelling on the pain. Tip 6. Don't give up on dating. Here's an important reminder. Just because she rejected you doesn't mean everyone will. Don't let one rejection define your entire dating life. Every no gets you closer to a yes. Rejection is part of the process. It's a stepping stone toward finding someone who truly appreciates you. Building emotional resilience. Focus on self-improvement. Tip 7. Work on yourself. Use this moment to focus on yourself. Take the time to grow. Work on your fitness, develop new skills, dive into hobbies, or chase a passion you've neglected. The more you invest in yourself, the more attractive you'll become, not just externally, but internally as well. Sometimes, rejection is the universe's way of guiding you toward becoming the best version of yourself. Tip 8. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. Instead of focusing on the rejection, shift your mindset. Focus on the things you're grateful for. Your career, your friends, your hobbies. All of these things matter. When you practice gratitude, you build resilience. This positive thinking helps you move on from setbacks with strength and a healthier outlook on life. How to handle future interactions, moving on gracefully. Tip 9. Keep things respectful and friendly. Chances are, you'll run into her again at some point. When that happens, keep things respectful. Don't act weird or distant. Keep it friendly. Acknowledge the situation with maturity and move forward. This shows her you're emotionally mature and capable of handling rejection with grace. Tip 10. Keep your options open. And finally, don't put all your emotional energy into one person. There are plenty of other people out there who will appreciate you. Keep meeting new people. Keep exploring relationships. And keep the faith. The right person is out there for you. And sometimes, rejection is just part of the journey. So, let's wrap this up. When you face rejection, stay calm and composed. Respect the other person's decision. Learn from the experience and focus on your personal growth. Remember, rejection doesn't define you. It's just a temporary setback. You've got this. Rejection happens to everyone, and it doesn't mean you're not worthy of love. Keep learning, keep improving, and remember that the right person is out there waiting for you. Have you experienced rejection recently? How did you handle it? I'd love to hear your stories and tips in the comments because your experience could really inspire and help someone else who's going through the same thing. Rejection is tough, whether it's in relationships, work, or life, but it's something we all face at some point. The important thing is how we respond to it. Do we let it break us, or do we use it to grow stronger? Remember, rejection isn't a reflection of your worth. Sometimes it's just redirection towards something better suited for you. It can teach you resilience, patience, and the value of self-love. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world and helps us reach more people who might need this message. Also, if you know someone struggling with rejection, share this with them. Sometimes hearing words of encouragement makes all the difference. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I truly hope these tips help you navigate rejection with grace, strength, and confidence. Every no brings you closer to the right yes, so keep believing in yourself and your journey. Don't let rejection make you doubt your value. You are enough, just as you are. Stay positive, stay strong, and keep moving forward. And remember, the right opportunities, people, and experiences will find you when the time is right. So keep your head up and your heart open. I can't wait to hear your thoughts and stories in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going and support each other on this journey. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and want more relationship advice, be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.